Hey guys, we're back. And we'll be doing Mario Stadium, blah blah blah. I want to bat first. This goes off. One. Let's see. Okay, blah blah blah. Start game. What's chemistry? I already know it's chemistry. Okay, yeah, we get it. Mario Heroes versus Luigi Vacuums. Blah, blah, blah. I can't believe how long I've had this game. I've had it since I've had it for like 2 years. Oh no. Oh. Yoshi's terrible. Control out. Easy. Auto. Oh. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, Yoshi is so charging with him next time. Oh, it's A. Yeah. To hit the ball. It's dumb A. It's the A button, really. And I already got 2 strikeouts. Literally, just because of that. No. Oh, that was my chance right there. No, I don't want a foul ball. You guys want a foul ball. No, I'm not out. Oh. Okay, great. Looks like I'm gonna lose again from the first episode. That was a giant failure. Ooh. Strike. What? Oh, sweet, foul ball. You guys are coming down to the ground. Oh, I lost. Oh yeah, it's important if you lose. It's really good. If I tie, that's gonna be good though. No! He did not just make it to first base. Look at the crowd inside it. Yeah. Mario versus Luigi. I don't care if it's Mario versus Luigi. Strike. By the way, it's Mario Heroes versus... Wait, I already said that. The next dumb character is Wario. Out! Ah! Oh my god. Really? That had to be a catch. That had to be a catch. Wait. Oh yeah, that did have to be a catch. What about your junior catch though? And should did catch foul ball. I love it when they say that. I love it. Huh? Ball. Yes. Got a dumb out. Oh no, please don't hit it. Please don't hit it. It's probably gonna hit it. Yes. And then that's the game. What? I put it 3 innings? Nuts. Why'd I put it 3 innings? I hope we have time for 3 innings. Probably not. Wait, pause it. We have to change this somehow. Whatever, we'll just play it. No! Home run! 2 home runner! Okay. Woo! Don't come so strong like that. Oh, yeah, you didn't catch it. Haha, Bowser Jr. It's time to shine. Scratching my little booty. No, 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 no! You did not just catch that. Haha. Make the first base. Aww. I love it when the cat says that. I'm like, aww. They want action on the field. I really don't like to play baseball in real life, but I like to play it in video. No, no, no. Ah. At least I got 2 points. Yeah, 6 minutes and 5 seconds. I think we have enough time. I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to cut in the middle of this. We got King Boo and Boo. You see Maggie Cooper back there with his one his eye. What did I do here? What did I do here? What did I do? Whoa. 2 bottoms? Oh, at least it wasn't 3. Because then I wouldn't even have enough time for that. Mario wins like always. Wait. I was Donkey Kong at the end? How is that true? Okay guys, bye. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, which is what my brother says. But I really don't want to say that. I don't really care if you rate, comment, or subscribe. Bye-bye.